AI isn't just for experts anymore. Beginners can now use to write better, design faster without coding. Let's jump into the top 3. First up, ChatGPT. ChatGPT helps you write emails, generate ideas, answer questions, and even brainstorm project outlines. Just type what you need. As you can see, you don't need to be technical. Just ask. Number 2, Canva AI.
Canva's AI helps you create graphics, logos, and even social posts fast.
Perfect for beginners who want professional visuals without design skills. And number 3, Runway. Runway brings AI to video editing. You can remove backgrounds, jet and enhance some visuals, even if you've never edited before. Great for new creators wanting quick, high-quality videos.